Ravichandran, PGT Commerce, accountancy teacher for class 11th and 12th from Sri Sakti International School. In this video presentation, I would like to solve do-it-yourself question from NCERT chapter admission of partner, question number 3. First, let's see the question. So the question is, a firm's profit for the last 5 years are 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000. Calculate the value of the firm's goodwill on the basis of 3-year purchase of weighted average profit after using weights of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 respectively for the years. So for the year, the latest year will be given highest weight. So that's mean the recent year, for 60,000, the highest weight will be given. For 50,000, next highest weight will be given. For 40,000, next highest weight, 3 will be given. So like that, for the latest year, highest weight will be assigned for the latest year. The reason behind giving highest weight for the recent year is the next year, earning the same rate of profit will be probably higher than expecting the same profit which is earned 5 years before. So the probability of earning previous year profit in the next year is comparatively, chances are very, very high than the earning the same profit which is earned 5 years before. That's the reason for the recent year, highest weight will be assigned. Now let's see the question. Let's see the solution. So first we have to find out the weighted average profit. For weighted average profit, the formula is we have to find out the total products and we have to find out the total year's weight. So for that, I have used a table. So weight for first year 20,000, the weight is given as 1. For the next year 30,000, the weight is given 2. And next year the weight is 3. The next year the weight is 4. The last year the weight is 5. So respective year, with the respective weight, we have to multiply the profit. So the first year, then you will get the product. So the product for the first year, it is 20,000. Have we got 20,000 into 1? Second year, 30,000 into weight 2, it is 60,000 product. And third year, it is 40,000 into 3, and the product is 1,20,000. And the fourth year, 50,000 into 4, the weight is 2 lakh. And the fifth year, 60,000 into 5, the weight is 3 lakh. And the total product weight is 20,000, 60,000, 1 lakh 20, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. The total sum is, it is 7 lakh. So the weighted average profit according to the formula, total product divided by total weight. The total weight is all the years you have to add it together. 1, 2, 3. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, it is 10, 10 plus 5, it is 15. It's the total weight. So the weighted average profit is total product 7 lakh divided by 15 will be 46,666.66. Came in decimal, and the goodwill is weighted average profit into weighted average profit is 46,666.66, and the weighted average profit goodwill is weighted average profit into number of year of purchase. So number of year of purchase is 3. 46,666.66 equal to goodwill is 1,40,000. So the goodwill of the firm according to the weighted average profit based on the 3-year purchase of goodwill is 1,40,000. So that is the solution. This is also a very simple question. Hope you all understand. Thank you.